TRX4000 is back. Yesterday, I found out that there was a truck pull event today, and I've been waiting to finish the TRX4000 until there was an event where I was going to be able to use it as like a lifting or pulling or, you know, that type of deal. So, but with late notice, I was like, oh man. So I hustled and grabbed the truck. It was a little dusty, hasn't been touched in a while. And if you're not familiar with what the basis of the TRX4000 was, I just bought like every single brass upgrade piece that I could find that would fit on there and made it as heavy as possible that way. And then after I installed all of those parts, I installed a 6S 30,000 milliamp battery from Genzace. It's the biggest battery Genzace had. It's for like cinema/industrial drones. And it's absolutely huge. It's got like 750 amps of output. The battery alone costs about the same as a new TRX4 Bronco. So you can go back and see some of the, you know, fabrication and things like that we had to do to get, you know, items like that in there. The goal is to make this truck look fairly unassuming from the outside. I don't want a steel basket of weight on the roof or anything that really sticks out. I even tried to leave stock bumpers so that on the outside you see some brass on the axles, and other than that it looks pretty normal. But up until yesterday I didn't have the electronics installed. I had plans to do a monster servo in it, but I just have never got around to it. So with the limited time that I had before this event, I decided to dive in and get it up and going. I did put a Holmes Hobbies 4274 1/8 scale brushless motor in it, which took a little bit of relocation of the servo, standard servo, to fit in there. I geared down to a 12-tooth pinion, which was the smallest pinion I had that would work with that had a 5mm bore for the motor shaft. I had to put battery leads on that monster battery. I got some ProTech QS8, the anti-spark monster battery plugs, and then I had to neck those down to an XT90 to go onto the Mamba X ESC that I'm running today. Now, the Mamba X ESC is nowhere near the power handling ability, you know, of taking care of that monster battery. And the whole project is silly for a reason. So like, it's all dumb, don't worry, I'm well aware. But the good news is that the truck is running. The motor's at 1900 kV, and on 6S, it's a lot of speed, even in low gear. So we're gonna have to I'm gonna have to try and be as mindful as possible to try and keep the truck alive. There's still some weak points in there. I'm quite concerned about portal gears today in particular. Trying to get to the track as close to on time as possible. So I didn't do a ton of packing this morning. I just grabbed the trucks, grabbed my battery, my GoPro, and hit the road. I got an hour and 45 minutes drive to the track at A-Main Hobbies in Chico. We're gonna see how we do. All right, made it to Chico. We're 5 minutes before the event is supposed to start. Pulling up to the Silver Dollar Raceway, which is where the event is hosted. Not too far, maybe a half mile, quarter mile from the actual Chico hobby shop, Chico A-Main hobby shop. So I'll probably stop in there after the event, but let's roll in here. I don't know where I'm going, but this doesn't look like it. I think I've made a mistake. Dang it, GPS. Very, very wrong. There we go. Now we got it. Haha, success. There's Johnny. He's the one who let me know.
And show and shine.
Hey, there it is.
If you wanted it. If you want it, right? Nope.
So RC 4-wheel drive trailer. It's an Intimidator.
Did you see that picture?
Sliding weight box, all chain driven appropriately, the whole deal. Super nice.
We're just doing benches right now.
So
Alright, so I'm gonna hook it up.
this is Silver Dollar Raceway though. All right, getting set up. So they're just doing first test pull. What?
Did you happen to bring tools?
I didn't bring. Oh crap!
I'll have to ask one of them.
I was hoping you did in case I broke something.
Nope, I forgot.
Hopefully I don't need tools because I was counting on Johnny. I'm gonna plug in so I don't have to take the body off in front of people in case, so they don't know what's underneath of here.
I brought those into the truck. That's one. Uh-oh.
Tires turning, oil change.
All set? Now we got full out.
Oh, well, that's because they took all the weight down.
Perfect.
There it is.
Wow.
Come on!
There she goes.
You get momentum, come on!
She's moving. Good deal.
That's great.
This your class 2
Add weight to no, this is my class 1.
or class?
Yeah, but the weight.
Brushed class 1.
That makes sense.
I know.
Forward.
On the hood! On the hood!
Go, Papa, go, Papa, go, Dig! Dig, Papa, dig! Yes, that's what we work. That's what we work.
Who gives you water?
Jimmy, don't climb on that part. Do you want no weight or weight? Let's go no weight first. All right. 1 second, let me set up. Uh-oh.
Didn't it do this weirdness last night?
Yeah, it did.
It's my controller.
Oh.
I started wiggling.
All right, like I said, there we go. On your tone. Full pull. Okay.
I meant 1/10 throttle. Just did you shift? No.
It's still on higher and low.
Low.
Low? Nice. Do we want to try with some weight? Sure. Yeah. Drew, can you pick up and then we'll reset? Do you want to pick up your car?
Yeah, I got it.
You got it?
Didn't break.
All right, here we go. Set. Go. But you made it. You got competition, Chili? No? Of course there's competition. Alright. They would get like almost. There it is. Nice.
think I should use some more momentum.
Maybe.
All right. Total of 50 pounds on you. All right. Go for it.
Oh, the trailer's working.
There it is. Yep. Not bad though. We're what? Right at 11 feet, 50 pounds. That's sick, right?
That's still first gear.
Yeah. Yeah, that was good. One on hook? Yeah.
Okay, now let's see what's inside.
So I can bring out my car.
Holy! Got something in there.
Here comes the jealousy.
Shit! What the hell is that?
That's like something Jared would have.
That's great.
Well, now
Jared, we get a picture of this.
No, because he's gonna get like 3 of them.
Kyle. Mike, told you.
Jared, I found your next battery.
we don't sell that. We don't sell that at A-Main. This is all A-Main product only.
Sweating all over. All
What
right.
do you use it for?
It's made for commercial drones,
Okay.
like
That lift people?
like cinema or agriculture drones.
Jesus. You really just. I'm glad you showed us though. I was like, he ain't popping the hood. He ain't gonna pop the hood of that thing until he's in RC
We ain't all like you.
trailers. Yeah.
Some people like to show what they got.
Did you see that? Oh my God.
What the fuck?
What?
How much does it weigh?
Wait for it, mine.
It weighs like this table.
It's like
Jared, you need
it's in like the 28-pound range.
You can
Jared.
fit underneath that
Well,
body.
we put like 6 pounds in the back of Ollie's car to make it go that
This
way.
is 30 pounds. This is 25 pounds right here.
That's all.
Good Lord.
I'm like, no wonder it's digging and going. What the fuck? No,
So-
same truck with different.
Still success.
It's a Mamba X ESC is all. It's on a 4274 1900 kV motor.
I like this guy. He tells everyone what it is and tells it off.
It's I bought like every brass part that A-Main sells, just because it's made for this type of thing. I just bought everything A-Main sells.
Besides the battery.
Where's the commercial?
Stock servo. So
That's what I said. Is it ready to run? I saw the brass, but
Yeah, he's got like stock bumper.
stock bumpers, stock servo,
that's bad.
stock still got
Wheelbase.
stock wheelbase, stock body. You know, it's just,
Spec. That's badass. And a big battery.
yeah.
There she goes.
That sounded good.
Definitely sticks out. There you go, more. like the big rig.
Try it once more. I'll go second gear. I regret. There we go.
Second gear made a difference.
Yeah.
You get that momentum up and you can carry it.
That's awesome.
feet.
There it is.
I'll take it.
Do that over there, man. Pull it. Oh.
I feel like I can smell it.
Yeah, we can smell it getting hot.
The TRX4000 killed it. So much fun. Last pull of the day, loaded the trailer all the way back up and put it in high gear to start with and laid into it pretty good. Not quite full throttle, but really close. And I mean, I think I got 25 or 26 feet of pull with the 50 pounds. So I'll take it. That was exactly what that truck was made for. And a really good time. But I'm gonna pop over to the AMain Chico store, see if there's anything I gotta have. But successful day, good times. Thanks to the Chico store of AMain for putting on this whole gig. It was a great little trip for a Saturday. But pulling up to the store already. Let's go see what we need.